4 websites that you didn't know existed. Let's go. Type wolframealpha.com. This app technically solves all your schoolwork. They have algebra, physics, chemistry, and a whole bunch more. So if you're having trouble with your mathematics, your matrix, or any other subject, you can use wolframealpha.com. Next one is alternative2.net. This app helps you find the best alternative to any software programs. For example, I was looking for Netflix alternative, and the results came with a lot of options. This one is hacksplanning.com. This website allows you to learn about all the hacking process. So if you want to keep an eye on your children or your partner, you can use this app. Accountkillers.com. If you had an account that you don't want to exist anymore, you can use this program to delete that. You're welcome.